Wide angle now. That stabilizer. You ready? Boom! So here, the G, we got the one in the front already going on. Stop pissing on my car, bro. Damn. Dude, there's a oh, look at that. There's a rainbow on my windshield. So, our boy Luke here washing the car real quick. Because we're about to get the new wraps. Well, the decal split into a wrap for the G. About to install it right now. So let's get her washed. It's around like 7:30, so it'll definitely be nighttime when we're getting it installed, but I'm excited. Getting the fender piece on right now. How's it looking? How's it looking? Good? Oh my god.
It's going good.
We can pick up the corner.
Yeah, I'm going to.
I think, yeah, that's right. All right, cool. And then once we get to the corner, if heat helps, so we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna, you see that off the heat? You see it? Yeah. All right. So I've never tried this, but I know it works I just know it works, you know? So if I give this a shot with heat, let me get my car real quick. Oh. I might just use my fingers on that thing. Oh. Oh, whoa! I can smell something burning though. There's a cat. Ooh. Not bad for a first time. I was just not trying to burn the wrap with the fucking. Not bad. Just trying to poke some holes and. Yeah, not too bad. So I got this whole side down. Over here doing that. Not too bad. Got right on the edge right there. Just tell them how it's going. Little update here.
Huh?
Tell them how it's going, bro.
Shit. Oh, we're cleaning up the shit stains. From
here, it looks like a GTR, bro. What you mean, man? Getting the Max Peanut rod on there. Not bad. Getting the driver's side installed right now. We got this top part on right now. A little bit. This part was very bad, but I mean, she's on, so I'm not really complaining. We're measuring, making sure everything's all right. So.